25 IKEA bedroom storage ideas. 1. Campig 4-armed swivel hook. The hooks can swivel so that you can adapt them to what you want to hang up. 2. Complement pull-out tray. Keep your accessories next to your clothes. The pull-out tray is perfect as it is. 3. Stook storage case. Place it in a wardrobe or slide it under the bed. A practical storage for seasonal clothes or quilts that also protects from dust. 4. SCADIS pegboard. Sometimes the little things can make the biggest impact, like using Platza as a bedside table and SCADIS as hanging storage. 5. Lac wall shelf. Use up all those awkward spaces. Use a lac shelf as a corner shelf by your bedside to hold your glasses or book. 6. Bjarnum folding hook. Have an outfit ready to grab and go in the morning by hanging them on the wall. When not in use, these hooks can be folded up to conserve space. 7. Boomerang hanger. Hangers in solid wood, such as boomerang, add a genuine sense of quality to your wardrobe. 8. Nordkisa dressing table. A beauty station with dedicated space for your makeup and accessories makes sure everything you need is close at hand. 9. Nordly chest of 2 drawers. Chests of drawers offer closed and private storage while their top surfaces are perfect for the decorative things that you want to show off. 10. Platza bed frame with 4 drawers. Large drawers, open shelves, and a spacious bench, Platza bed frame offers a lot more than a good night's sleep. 11. Turbo clothes rack. Stylish and simple to move. Turbo clothes rack on castors is the ideal storage solution for heavy winter jackets and coats. 12. Nissadal mirror. Hang it vertically or horizontally, and if you mount the mirror with hinges, you can hide keys and smaller things on hooks behind. 13. Platza wardrobe with shoe shelves. It's easy to optimize and customize Platza according to often limited space and often many needs. 14. Lurt or Goobarp rack with 6 knobs. Worn, but not ready for the laundry, a rack with knobs is the perfect spot for clothes that need airing. 15. Cornzio cabinet with mirror. Closed storage, a display surface and a stylish mirror. Cornzio cabinet offers many things without taking up too much space. 16. Macapar bench. This bench has sliding doors and can have a ladder in front of it while still being very easy to open whenever you want to grab or store something. 17. Lear Skogan valet stand with mirror. A small bedroom can really benefit from a multifunction mirror that requires little space. Lear Skogan perfect for upcoming outfits and accessories. 18. Berg Schult shelf and Ram Schult bracket. An open shelf high up on the wall is a beautifully clean storage solution where you can display books and boxes. 19. Skugis hook. Neat wall storage, anyone? Skugis hooks give a warm and soft feeling in the bedroom. Use a basket to store your accessories. 20. Bestop frame. Your walls are a great canvas to create storage space. Mount a unit to stash your magazines and lookbooks. 21. Delactig side table for frame. Add on a headboard, side table, and standing lamp so you can read or watch a few videos before bed. Feel free to make it yours. 22. Stuva changing table. It's so much more than just a changing table. You can use this to store various objects in the bedroom. 23. Songi-san bedside table. This bedside table is very suitable for use in small places. 24. Vilto towel stand. Solid wood makes every piece of furniture unique because it's a natural material with beautiful, varying grain. 25. Nickaby clothes rack. Say goodbye to the chair that's overloaded with clothes and say hello to this multifunctional clothes rack.